What's in here? Blood core mugs. Dang, these look so sick. Got the blood core accents, heel counter, backstay, the collar. Edge binding is even blood core. Jet black shearling, the black sole. Dang, those are sick. All right, let's see what's in the other mug over there. Now, we'll see what's in this one. Ew, what is it? Blood core SLUGGS. Mugs are our winter sneaker made to be like an actual cool looking shearling, natural material winter shoe boot. This is just the house slipper version. You know, it's same concept, shearling, no visible shearling on the outside, but high quality materials, but in blood core.